Hi everyone, welcome back our channel. Today I'm very happy to tell you about a topic. These 12 bad Feng Shui culprits and restore calm. Let's get started. There can be many Feng Shui challenges in your new house that can provoke and even strengthen the negative energy of disagreement, argument, and overall dissatisfaction with your relationship. Let's identify the Feng Shui culprit in your home and explore tips to calm and balance the energy. If your house is challenged by constant conflict, it is helpful to understand that bad Feng Shui can attract conflict. 1. Feng Shui problems in your main entry. The energy in your main entry determines the quality of energy that enters the home. Do you want vibrant, healthy, fun, and nourishing energy in your home? Then be sure your main entry is Feng Shui friendly. 2. Bad outside Feng Shui. Having good Feng Shui energy outside your home is important for many reasons. Understand what bad outside Feng Shui energy is and be sure you know how to deal with it. 3. Bedroom Feng Shui. There can be no peace in your home if you sleep in a bad Feng Shui bedroom. It is as simple as that. Is your bedroom properly set up for good Feng Shui? Find out and do the work that needs to be done for a better night's sleep. 4. Direct alignment of doors and windows. If you have 2 or more doors in direct alignment, especially if it is the front door and back door, then you definitely need Feng Shui to balance the energy and keep it in the house. The same Feng Shui principle applies to a door aligned with a big window. 5. Staircase facing the front door in the house center. In terms of Feng Shui, a staircase creates unsettling energy. The worst Feng Shui location of a staircase is in the heart center of home, as well as directly facing the front door. If this is worst happen in the home, you need Feng Shui to balance the energy. 6. A non-existent or stretched out love and marriage area. In Feng Shui, there is a specific area in your home connected to the energy of love and relationships. Is the love area treated well Feng Shui-wise? Do you have the right color, material, image, or is the area partially missing? Find out and delete a stuck or non-existent money area. Okay, a Feng Shui area cannot be complete non-existent, so it is a bit of an exaggeration. However, if the energy in your Feng Shui money area is stuck and the area is neglected, one can say it is non-existent. Take good care of your money area and you will bring so much more peace in all your interaction. 8. A forgotten basement, garage, or attic. If you think the state of the basement, garage, attic, or closet has nothing to do with the state of your energy, you really need to rethink it, or better yet, clear it the areas and feel what a huge difference this makes in the state of the home, as well as your own inner state of mind. Then you focus on house energy stuck and or bad vibes from previous owner and conflicting Feng Shui decor. Moreover, a bathroom in the center of the home and 12. A heavy and cluttered house area. Okay, that's all. If you see this is a good video, like video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for your listening. See you next time.